Hey, if you want to connect Redmi Buds 4 Active with your phone application, for sure you can do this. So first of all, you have to simply open the Google Play Store if you are using the Android phone, but if you are using iOS devices like iPhone or iPad, you will have to actually open the App Store. And now from this, click on the search and input this phrase Xiaomi Earbuds. Now, as you can see, in my case, I already have this application, but I'm gonna get rid of it and show you step by step. So find this application, click on the install button, and now you have to wait until the download will be finished. So it's really quick. After a few seconds, we can use it. There we go. Now we can open it. Now all you have to do is just to accept this agreement and click agree at the bottom of the screen. From this, we have to select our region. So in my case, I'm actually in the Poland, so I have to select the Poland, but if you are from other region, just choose it from the list. Now you can click next, 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 and click start. Now accept all of these permissions, and you have to click to add earphones. And as you can see, in my case, I'm already connected because I previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings. But if for some reason you cannot connect them, just remember to put both earbuds inside the case, then charge it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then open and simply go into the Bluetooth settings and connect it. If you have still any issues with connecting, you can also watch my tutorial. You can enter for my YouTube channel and search for the connection with Android or iPhone device. Right now, please subscribe.